The Hyundai Ioniq 6 blends futuristic design with everyday practicality. Its sleek, aerodynamic shape isn't just for looks, it helps deliver 610 kilometers of range. Inside, you'll find a spacious, tech-forward cabin made with recycled materials. The digital dashboard and infotainment system are intuitive and modern. There's ample rear seat space, a roomy trunk, and clever storage throughout. The ride is smooth and quiet, perfect for daily commutes. Driver assistance features like adaptive cruise and lane keeping come standard. Thanks to 800-volt charging, you'll spend less time plugged in and more time driving. The Ioniq 6 proves you don't have to sacrifice style or comfort for efficiency. It's an EV that fits seamlessly into your life. But if you want even more versatility, check out the Kia EV6. The Kia EV6 is all about adaptability. Commuter, road tripper, or family hauler, it does it all. Sharp styling and a 500-kilometer range make it stand out. Inside, comfort and tech take center stage, with premium materials and a fast, user-friendly infotainment system. Choose rear-wheel drive for efficiency or all-wheel drive for extra grip. There's even a GT version for thrill seekers. Advanced driver assistance features like highway driving assist and remote smart parking make life easier. 800-volt charging means quick top-ups on the go. Sustainability is key, with recycled and plant-based materials throughout. The EV6 is designed for the future, in every way. If you want an EV that can do it all, this is it. Now let's see how Volvo redefines safety and efficiency.